Hi everyone, my name is Kang. Today is 9th of September, year 2021. I believe at the place that we stay, we may have a lot of neighbors. You may also know the neighbors that stay at the right side of your house, left side of your house, above or below your house. But how about the IT network? Does a switch have the neighbor, and can a switch know who is its neighbor? The answer is yes, we can. It uses a layer 2 protocol to discover its neighbor. That means it does not rely on any IP address, purely on a layer 2 Ethernet frame. So since I have two Cisco switch with me, so I'm going to use Cisco switch to show you this concept by doing some demo. Now let's access the Cisco switch now. I access this console port. So I'm using a Cisco Catalyst 2960X switch running on iOS 15.2. I'm in front of this switch A here, all right? So as I mentioned just now, there's no IP address required at all. It doesn't use IP address to do the discovery. So now I'm using this command to show you that there's no IP address at all at any of the interface or VLAN interface. So you can see that all the IP address is unassigned until the last port. It doesn't have any IP address at all. So now we use this command. For your information, Cisco uses its own proprietary protocol called CDP, Cisco Discovery Protocol. That means it only can discover Cisco switch itself only. So here, with this command, we can, from I'm at switch A, I can see my neighbor is switch B. At myself, I use through port 1, I discover this neighbor, which connect to its port 2. And it is also a Cisco Catalyst 2960X model. Now, I'm going to show you another example, a screenshot from a HP switch for your better understanding. In HP Conway switch, we are using this command called display LLDP neighbor information list. This LLDP stands for Link Layer Discovery Protocol. This is a non-proprietary vendor-neutral protocol that can be used to discover another brand of switches in the network, as long as all of them run on this LLDP. So if you look at this command, this is command on a core switch. So it shows that the various switch connected to this switch. The command is similar to the Cisco one that you saw just now. It shows the local interface at the switch, this local switch. Through this interface is see all these switches. And same for this one, port ID. This port ID is the neighbor switch, is the connected switch that this switch discovery them at the neighbor. So this one, port 24, is the port at this DS1 switch. And for example, this port 48 is the switch, is a port connected to this DS6 switch. So the concept is the same. So let's go back to the Cisco switch console just now. So what else information that we can have with this command? What kind of details that we can see? If we add the details behind, then we can give more information. You can know what is the iOS version that your neighbor use, and you can know the information such as whether it has IGMP capabilities, and you can know what is the native VLAN your neighbor is using. So we try another command again, another command for serve CDP interface. So you can see that almost all the interface, it shows sending CDP packet every 60 seconds. So this means it is enabled by default and on all the network interfaces. And it sends the discovery every 60 seconds in order to discover whether there is a neighbor or whether the neighbor still exists, still around. That's all for my sharing for today. Please leave down your comments if you have any, and thanks for your support, and I hope to see you again. Bye.